And relax your body, relax your mind. And let go of all the barriers. These barriers can be any thought, feeling, emotions that you're carrying since morning till now, since your childbirth till now, or any of your past lives till now. And as I say so, visualize there are multiple and multi pillars of grayish light within you that are just getting lower down from your head towards your heart, from your navel, from your root chakra, and now from the hands and from the feet into the earth. Now take a deep breath in and breathe out with your mouth. Ha. Make a sound ha. Take a deep breath in. Take another deep breath in. And as you breathe out this time, feel all those burdens are washing away, going away. Your meridians, your channels are more clearer. Your vitals are now more clearer to you. And now connecting ourselves to the divine supreme being. Divine Father, Mother, Lord Shiva, Ma Shakti, Sri Mahaganapati. All holy gurus, holy masters, holy angels, spiritual angels, helpers, divine beings of light, all the great ones, great avatars, great beings, great helpers, and the spiritual teachers and guides. We humbly ask you for your divine blessings, divine light, divine love, divine power to purify our mind, body, and soul. Our physical body, our mental body, our emotional bodies, our chakras, and our meridians. And make us an humble instrument of the divine light. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now just visualize that you are connected to the central sun at the brightest, whitest light that is flowing from the sun, entering your crown center, crown chakra, and slowly moving down through your entire body, all the meridians, all the nadis, all the chakras, and from the feet, it's going down inside the earth. Now, as we are getting purified, or this light is now illuminating throughout your entire body, visualize all the grayish prana getting away from you. Be in the state of relaxation, complete relaxation. First of all, focus on clearing the energies that are stuck at your physical body. It can be any pain in the body, it can be any stiffness in the body. Just become aware of that energy. It can be any small illness that has kept bothering you. Just keep your hands just like in a blessing mudra, but just creating a beautiful silver triangle in front of you. Or you can actually create a silver triangle with your dominant hand in front of you. Your hands are the ways to let go, let out all the energies, entities, bodies, and realities that do not serve your highest and greatest good. So I want you to visualize all that physical stiffness at your spine, at your back heart. For female, your ovaries. Your knees and your jaw center that is coming to your hand and getting inside this silver triangle. Release, release, release. And as you're just letting it out, actually feel the lightness at your physical body. You feel the light, and there is no more residual energy. Just visualize another triangle opposite to the first triangle, creating a star shape and sealing that energy between two triangles. अजून एक सिल्वर ट्रँगल आपण काढतो आहे. But हा exactly opposite triangle है which is sealing that energy completely inside this. Now just take these triangles, take this star in your hand, and now throw that into the salt bowl. Visualize that you are throwing this energy in the salt bowl now.
Janvi, you'll drive now.
Let go, let go, let go. I humbly call upon the energies of the ever present violet flame to get activated into every salt bowl that is present for Galaxy Healing family now. And let it transmute and transform all the energies that needed to be transmuted and transformed. Now I want you to bring your attention to your heart space. Your solar plexus chakra. And observe any emotion that is present. All the pains, all the hurts, all the sorrows that were seated besides you, you were not aware. Don't judge them. Let them come out of your hand. And again visualize silver triangle and allow these energies of pain, sorrows, sadness, hurts, any hurts that are from your immediate families, your parents, your siblings, all the sorrows that you are keeping inside you. Let it just come out. All the hurts from the people you loved or you cared. Those betrayals, if any. Let all that energy just come out of your heart and solar plexus. Visualize this energy just flowing into the silver triangle in front of you now. Allow this energy to flow. All those worries that are not contributing to you, let it come out. Feel the energy shifting, lightening. All the great energy is removing, getting removed out of your systems, out of your bodies, out of your chakras, out of your meridians. And it's entering into the silver triangle in front of you. Allow it to go. All the unanswered questions from the universe that you kept seeking, all those whys, let them out. All those pent up emotions, the insecurity, all that loneliness, in spite of being in society. Let it just come out of your heart and your solar plexus. Let it just come out of your entire energy body and energy system. And the moment you feel the lightness, as if the energy has stopped flowing, now draw another triangle opposite the one which we drawn, as if the triangle is creating a star shape and sealing all this energy in between. Just take this triangle and throw it in the salt bowl. Leave your hands in the salt bowl where the violet light is present, where the energies are present to transmute and transform. Take another deep breath in. And breathe out. As you breathe out, you feel lot of beautiful cold energies as we release all the emotional heaviness. Now scan your body from head to toe in your mind's eye. Scan your body from head to toe.
Adobe Acrobat Studio is all new.
Now see if there is any residual energies anywhere. And ask those energy directly to flow into the salt bowl, into the violet flame. From your DNAs, energetic DNAs, notice any discomfort and ask that energy to flow away and release you. You feel like a healing breeze or a flowing water that is flowing through your body, the healing light. And then once again, flick your hands and cut your course. Cut, cut, cut. Now, as you take a deep breath in, feel that breath. The breath is coming from your stellar gateways into your body, purifying every cell, purifying every space at your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual body. Our body is balanced, our body is light and energized. You feel completely safe, you feel completely protected. Now feel yourself with this energy. And now just follow the instructions from the master.
We are going to bless the earth with loving kindness.
Put your hands in
We
blessing
will be
mudra.
using the prayer of Saint Francis of Assisi. Raise your hand with your hands facing outward. Imagine the earth in front of you, the size of a small ball. Be aware of your heart and silently repeat after me. Lord, make me an instrument of your peace. Feel the inner peace within you. Allow yourself to be a channel for divine peace. Feel the peace within you. Let it flow through your arms, through your hands. Gently and lovingly share this peace with the small earth in front of you. Feel the peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Feel the love within you.
Here's the reality. Your college degree took 4 years.
And let the entire energy move into the earth. Visualize there is a streaming of light that is connecting you to the Father Sky and Mother Earth. And you, an humble instrument, is now flooding the earth with this beautiful energy of healings. And this energy is now coming back to you in multifolds of dimensions. Many earths that are in this universe, this energy is coming to you in the form of blessings. May all be blessed with inner healing, physical healing, mental healing, emotional healings. May all be blessed with divine light, love, and power. May all be blessed to have good thoughts. May all be blessed with spiritual alignment. May all be blessed with material abundance, with financial abundance. May your all chakras be blessed, the beings of chakras be blessed. May your houses be blessed and houses be protected. May your money energy be blessed and now be amplified. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let all the magics, miracles be now available and accessible across all dimensions and all lifetimes. And so be it, so be it, and so it is. Now just click your hands. Take a deep breath in. Accumulating this energy inside you, all your meridians. Take another breath in and breathe out. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मा अमृतंगमय शांति शांति शांति. Now wrap your hands. Move from your head and slowly, gently, whenever you feel comfortable, totally